welcome to my channel. My name is Katya, and in this video I will make review on a VLCC skincare kit. Okay, what we have here: face scrub, sandal cleansing milk, then this is shower gel, this is mask for face, this is night cream, hand sanitizer, sunscreen gel, hair nourishing shampoo, and face wash. And in total we got 10 items, including pouch. So guys, from this beauty skincare kit I will try face scrub, face wash, peel off mask, and sandal cleansing milk. Let's get started. Face scrub for all skin types. I don't need too much. Apply a little water, a little bit. Will massage my face for 3 minutes. All problem zones, forehead, around nose and chin. Wash my face with a lot of water. So I feel fresh. My skin feels clean actually. Then I want to use face wash. Just a little. Put it with little bit water. Especially on problem zones. Will wash my face. Next product, I'm gonna try peel off mask. The most interesting product, I guess. You should not apply a very thin layer. Let it dry for 20-30 minutes. You should use it for best results at least one time in a week. So let's check this out. Ooh, looks really black. It's actually not so smooth. All my face is burning. Check it out after 20 minutes. Okay guys, 20 minutes passed, so let's try to remove this mask. It's dried really very fast and I can't even talk right now. All my face is blocked. Ow. Ouch. Under this mask, but it's like, I feel like it's super refreshing. And like this mask really removed all dead skin. Okay, remove the rest of this mask, I will with this cleansing milk because it's right in for removing makeup. So let's try. Milk removed the rest of mask, and after all this procedure I feel very refreshing. My skin feels very refreshing, clean. After using so many beauty products, I will apply just a moisturizer cream that I use for every day. I tried 4 of these 9 products and I like all 4. The most important, I like this red pouch that goes for free with all these beauty products. All this cosmetic can go into this, it's very useful. People who like to travel a lot would have this skincare kit because it's very comfortable to take it with you in trips. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to put like, subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye!